I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some data entry remote job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Tillster Inc. and they're looking for a data entry reporting specialist. For this job, you must live in the United States, preferably on the East Coast. The key responsibilities for this job are to perform accurate data entry for multiple clients to ensure records are maintained to the highest standard, to run and generate reports as required, ensuring data integrity and adherence to established reporting formats, to support the account management team by providing timely and accurate information for client accounts, to communicate with franchisees or corporate contacts when needed to confirm details, resolve discrepancies, and ensure consistent data quality, to conduct regular data cleanup tasks to maintain database accuracy and reliability, to identify data inconsistencies and take corrective action to improve data quality, and to provide general administrative support as needed within the account management team. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have 1+ years of proven experience in data entry or related field, preferably in a client-focused environment. You must have strong attention to detail and commitment to data accuracy. You must be proficient in Microsoft Excel and other reporting tools. Experience with data management software is a plus. You must have strong communication skills with the ability to professionally interact with clients and internal teams. You must be able to work both independently and collaboratively in a team-oriented environment. And you must have strong organizational skills and ability to manage multiple tasks efficiently. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include a stock option plan, medical, dental, vision, and FSA benefits, 10 paid holidays per calendar year, 15 days of PTO in the first 12 months of continuous service, and 22 days in subsequent years, a 401k plan, and college tuition and education assistance programs. The expected base salary range for this job will be from $24.10 to $31.25 per hour, or $50,000 to $65,000 a year. This is a full-time, remote, entry-level position. The next job is with ExamWorks, and they're looking for a data entry associate. The responsibilities for this job include to gather, organize, and prepare source documents for data entry into the appropriate system database, to review data for discrepancies, missing pages, or information, and resolve discrepancies by using standard procedures or returning incomplete documents to the team leader for resolution, to enter both alphabetic and numeric data from source documents into the proper system database, to review data entered against the original source documents for accuracy and correct any data errors or duplications, to follow data program security practices and procedures at all times, to routinely secure information by completing database backup daily, to perform other varies of clerical duties such as sorting, filing, emailing, and proofreading as required, and to maintain confidentiality of all personal and financial information at all times and in accordance with HIPAA regulations. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. You must be able to achieve 8,000 or higher on a 10-key test. Preferably, they want you to be above 10,000. You must have a minimum of 6 months related experience or equivalent combination of training and experience. Experience in a medical office is preferred. You must possess complete knowledge of general computer, fax, copier, scanner, and telephone. You must be knowledgeable of multiple software programs, including, but not limited to, Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel, and the internet. You must have a full understanding of HIPAA regulations and compliance. And you must be a qualified typist with a minimum of 40 WPM. This company offers great benefits. These benefits include paid time off and a 401k. For this job, they would prefer that you have experience with medical bills and records, ICD and CPT codes. This job is a full-time remote position with a standard work schedule of Monday to Friday from 8 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, with overtime being offered. The pay for this position is $16.50 an hour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.